What's going on YouTube? Back at it again. I'm going to attach this video under the vehicle safety inspection. So I have pretty much everything done and replaced. So we can go here. We have the upper control arm, that's new. Tie rods are new. Axle is new. Brake caliper, brake pads, the wheel bearing, and the front rotors. Those are new. Front stabilizer link. Okay. And then, so that's on both sides. And then here in the rear, if you've seen my previous video, I got the rear drums, pads, rotors. So that upper control arm right there, that's new. Lower stabilizer link, and also the drive axle, that's also new. And then the trailing arm and compensator arm, so that's new. Oh yeah, also for the brakes, the caliper, that's also new. All right, now here we have the rear drive shaft mount, that's new. And then this piece right here, that's also new. Okay, so that's for both sides of the car. So you guys can see I've done a lot of work replacing all these parts. And here's the front. Yeah, so everything is already put in. And then what I also did earlier today was I replaced the master clutch cylinder and also the clutch slave cylinder. Okay. And then since I removed the calipers from the brake line, I bled out the brakes too, so brake fluid nice and fresh, clutch fluid is fresh. Okay, so I am pretty much done with the car. I'm waiting on the exhaust, because this exhaust look like it's bent from here. The angle is not the correct angle, so I think that's bent. And then also what I found out earlier was that the pipe for the exhaust is also rusted out. So I ordered the whole resonator pipe all the way down to the muffler. So those are going to be changed once it comes in. All right, now I just ordered the stock one on eBay, and I think it was like $189. Okay, so I'm waiting on that. And then the tires, I'm gonna go and take it off of my white CRV, because these tires are new. So we just got these tires 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so they got plenty of thread. All right, so I won't have any problem with the inspection. Now I replaced all these parts right here just so that there wouldn't be any issues with the inspection. And so I'm hoping to take her in probably next week once I get that exhaust put in. But yeah, so that's all I wanted to talk about on this video. And the next video I'll probably put out and see if it passed or not. All right, guys, I'll end this video right here. All right, later.